Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to guide you through making a delicious low-budget spicy curry. Let's get started. First, heat a pan on medium and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 finely chopped onions and saute it until they turn golden brown. Next, add 4 minced garlic cloves and a 1-inch piece of minced ginger. Cook until the raw smell disappears. Now, add a few curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, and 3 to 4 dried red chilies. Stir for a minute, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small cinnamon stick. Once the spices are fragrant, toss in 2 to 3 pieces of Garcinia. Add 2 chopped green chilies and mix well. It's time to add our spices: 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, chili powder, black pepper powder, and curry powder. Mix everything and let it cook for a minute. Finally, add salt to taste and pour in enough water to cover the ingredients. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the curry thickens. Once done, remove from heat and serve with rice or bread. Enjoy your flavorful, budget-friendly spicy curry.